that's what I spoke about as part of my panel discussion on music
Well, my
today
parents
here
started
at the
making
Waves
videos.
2025 Summit as
Small
well.
little kid.
That
And then I
if
just
you're talking
continued
about the journey of India, and if you're taking
and
our history along with the
Turkey,
present and
Thailand. So
along
I
with
made videos
the
of that,
future tech
and
and
then I
outreach
have
of
this
what
hobby
our
of making
music and
origami.
films
So
is
I
all
make
about.
videos of
Remember,
those
when we
as
talk
well,
about
and many
India
people
being the
enjoy that.
center for the orange economy, I would put Talat Mahmood right on top there. Why? Because he was the first singer from India to start world tours. It's mentioned there in my book. He started world tours in 1956. It has a lot of details
Nice
on the whole
one.
process of how he brought that about with his manager. Started touring right from the African countries over to the Caribbean, moving on further to United Kingdom, Europe, and then to New York and the United States, and then moving to the Arab countries, the Middle East. And when he started in 1956, mind you, this was barely about 10 years after the independence of India, but there was a demand. He got a lot of fan mail of people asking for a live performance, and he was the first singer from India, outside India, and he was the first singer from India whom people living abroad had a chance to see him sing live in his concerts.
We were here before.
It's been quite a journey. And here's the history of the evolution of the music industry, and that's something that I've mentioned in my book as well, because it's a journey that passes through the history of India, the technological evolution of how music was first recorded, how the first vinyls were pressed, and how it moved on to analog, cassettes, stereo sound. Stereo sound is something that Talat Mahmood was the first singer in the country to re-record his old songs of the 1940s and 50s into brand new stereo sound much later. A lot of the evolution and the history of the Hindi film and film music and ghazal music industry that is mentioned here in my book as well. And I'm so happy that that journey, that story, that finds relevance here at the Bharat Pavilion here at the Waves 2025 Summit resonates in my book as well.
जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत मैं तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए.
So that's 100 years of playback singing in India, and of course you have Talat Mahmood part of it. The first song on their playlist is
जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत मैं तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए. दर्द बन के जो मेरे दिल में रहा ढल न सका जादू बन